Another level of ghetto. I don't know what happened to the button and the spring and the metal stick that works the mechanism of the screen door, but somehow in the blizzard of 2026, that got gone. That's going to need to get fixed. I'm looking for signs of it. Can't see it anywhere, but a man that I admire very much when pushed to the point of breaking in a physical task screams about carrying boats. Well, I didn't do any screaming today. My wife will be happy to hear that, but I got the snow taken care of. 99% of it or 95% of it, because the plow hasn't come through yet. So there's going to be another layer of snow parfait here at the end of the driveway once the plows finally make it through here in Neenah. But the snow was deep. I shoveled a total of 3 times with, I don't know, I'm guessing at least 24, if not more, inches of snow shoveled. And I am so happy to be wrong. When Mrgrrr is wrong, he's as happy as a clam. Senior Shovel lives. Well, the big concrete mixer at the end of the driveway, that's definitely the heaviest snow for sure, because the plow compacts the crap out of that. So one more round, Senior Shovel. Once the plow comes through, we'll take care of that. And then the Mrgrrr mobile will be on the way. Now, my wife is shaking her head. There's a snowblower right behind that door. Does it work good? I don't know. I've never used the dang thing. Don't plan to. One of the things that I got to pass on to my son is, see that pipe right there with the hot air coming out of it? When the snows run really, 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 really deep, you got to make sure that that pipe is not covered, because, hey, you don't want your family breathing in poison while they're waiting for the snow to melt inside, waiting for spring to come. So that's a lesson I need to pass on to my son. And another thing that I need to pass on to my son is my strength. Like, if it gets to the point where, geez, I can't do it anymore. I can't do this. I can't shovel 24 inches of snow 3 times in a row. Then my son needs to get off his butt, put down the Xbox controller, come out here, and help me get it done. Now, hopefully, with him working with me side by side, we'll be able to do it together. And then each time we shovel, because I'm getting older and he's getting stronger, he's going to do a little more and I'm going to do a little less. And eventually, if I play my cards right, he's going to be just as strong as I am today when he's a man. Dads need to pass knowledge onto their sons. They need to pass skills onto their sons. And they need to pass their strength onto their sons. I didn't say, who's going to carry the boats? While I was working out here, there was like 50,000 pounds of snow between me and getting my dad to the VA on Wednesday. So I didn't scream it, but I muttered it under my breath quite a few times. Who's going to get dad to the VA? This guy. This guy. So bring it, snowplow. Senior Shovel and I, we're ready and we're waiting. We can do this all day.